Traveling with the velocity 16 meter per second penetrates a tree trunk and comes to rest in 0.4 meter. Find the time taken during the retardation. A bullet moving with the velocity, initial velocity is given 16 meter per second, that is the initial velocity, penetrates a tree trunk and comes to rest in 0.4 meter. Initial velocity is 16 meter per second, final velocity is 0 meter per second, and comes to rest in what meter? In 0.4 meter. So that s equals to how much? S equals to 0.4 meter. That is the displacement given. Displacement equals to 0.4 meter. Find the time taken during the retardation. So what is the time taken during the retardation? So we know that V equals to U plus AT. We know that V equals to U plus AT. And another formula is there. V square minus U square equals to how much? Equals to 2AS. So that is 0 square minus 16 square equals to 2 into A. S is how much? S is 0.4. So A equals to how much? A equals to minus 16 into 16 divided by 2 into 0.4. That equals to how much? That equals to 2, 8, 16. Then this is equals to minus 16 into 8 divided by 4. This is 10. 4, 2. Acceleration equals to how much? Acceleration equals to minus 320 meter per second square. That is the acceleration. V square minus U square is 2as. Final is 0. Initial velocity is 16 meter per second. 16 square, this is 2as. A equals to 16 into 16 by 2 into 0.4. So this is 4 by 10. So this becomes equals to minus 320 meter per second square. That is the acceleration. So we have to find the time taken for the purpose. So this is 0. Initial velocity is 16. Acceleration equals to how much? Acceleration equals to 320. Time is what? Time is t. Time is t. So that minus 320 into t. T equals to how much? 16 divided by 320. 16 2. 16 2, that is 32. T equals to how much? 1 by 20 second. Time equals to how much? Time equals to 1 by 20 second. That is the time. So that is the time. Time equals to how much? 1 by 20 second.